We will do page number 15 of EVS worksheet. Let's start. Write any one fact that you know about the marked parts of the plant. So in this picture we can see a plant and there are many parts of the plant which are marked and we have to write their names and write one fact about that part. So first we can see a leaf. So we'll write leaf, L-E-F, leaf. And what the leaf do? It make food for the plant. Now B, we can see a fruit. So we'll write here fruit. And what the fruit do? It encloses seed. I-T-H-E-N-C-L-O-S-E-S encloses S-E-E-D-S seeds. Now C, we can see roots. So we'll write here root. And what the root do? It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Now D, we can see branch. So we'll write here branch. And we'll write it bears leaves, flowers and fruits. We can see there are fruits, leaves and flowers are also on the branch. Now this is stem. So write here stem. And what the stem do? It helps the plant to stand straight. So we have to label the part and we have to write one function of the plant. Now we can write another function of the stem also, that it carries food and water to different part of the plant. Now question number 2. How are climbers different from creepers? What are climbers? Plant that need support to stand and grow, like money plant, pea plant, bee plant. And what are creepers? Plant that grow along the ground, like pumpkin, watermelon and muskmelon. So we'll write. First we'll write about climbers, then we'll write about creepers. So climbers, they can stand and grow straight. Climber can stand and grow straight. And creepers, they grow and move along the ground. So creeper cannot stand straight, they move along the ground. They grow and move along the ground. Now climbers, they need support to stand and grow. Creepers do not need support to stand and grow. They have small and medium sized fruits. Climbers have small and medium sized fruit, while creepers have big and heavy fruits. So we have seen fruits of climbers like pea, grapes, they are medium size and small also, while creeper having heavy fruits and big fruits like watermelon, muskmelon. So what are climbers? They can stand and grow straight. They need support to stand and grow, and they have small and medium sized fruit. And what are creepers? They grow and move along the ground. They do not need support to stand and grow, and they have big and heavy fruits. Now we'll do page number 16 of EVS worksheet. Give one example of the plant that grows in. So here you can see picture also. So which plant grow in water? Lotus. We'll write here lotus. Now hot region, that means desert. Which plant grow in desert? Cactus. We'll write here cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus. Now cold region, that means plant that grow on mountains. We'll write strawberry. S-T-R-A-W, straw, B-E-R-R-Y, berry. So lotus grow in water, cactus grow in hot region and strawberry grow in cold region. Now question number 2. Draw pictures of any 3 useful things that we get from plants. So we have to make picture of 3 things we get from the plants. So first we have drawn chair and almirah, because we can make chair and almirah from the wood of the plant. And these are furniture. We can also make table also. And second we get fruits. And third, we have made medicines. So we get medicines, furniture and fruits from the plants. You can also draw clothes, and you can also draw perfume bottle or anything, and vegetables which you get from the plants. So it's up to you. Whichever you like to draw, you can draw the picture of the thing we get from the plants. So you have to draw 3 pictures of the things we get from the plants and which are useful also. Now question number 3. 3 चीज़ें बनानी है जो हमें प्लांट से मिलती हैं और जो हमारे उपयोगी हैं. Now question number 3. How are the plants that grow in water different from the one that grow in hot region? So here we have to write about water plant, and here we'll write about the hot region plant, that means desert plant. So hot water plants have short root. Water plant have short root. Their roots are short because they don't need much water, because they grow in water. And plants of the hot region have long roots, because in desert there is less rainfall and soil is dry, so they have to Roots have to go deep inside the soil to take water from the soil. पानी लेना रहता है रूट से, सॉइल से, तो इनकी रूट्स लॉन्ग होती हैं. So they have long roots to take water from the soil. Now, water plants have weak stem, while hot region plants have strong stem. Now, water plants do not have thorns. Water plant में thorns या कांटे नहीं होते. And hot region plants have thorns. Plant growing in desert have thorns to prevent them from animals eating them. So, these are the difference between water plants and hot region plants. First, about water plants, they have short roots, they have weak stem, and they do not have thorns. Hot region plants, they have long roots, they have strong stem, and they have thorns. So, you have to complete page number 15 and 16 in your EVS worksheet.